Let's have a look how easy it is to use the Vignette effect. Go to the effects library in the OpenFX panel, search for the Vignette, drop it on your footage, and then you have your vignette here in the effects of your clip. You can use the basic settings, sides and anamorphism, softness, what have you. You can also change the color, want a white one, no problem at all. We'll look, we're going for the black one here for our example because we're going to dive a little bit deeper. We go from the basic operation mode to the advanced operation mode, and then we have a look at the blend option, what's full power here. Then we have also the different composite types like overlay and add, soft light, whatever. Going for normal, softness, transparency, and you also can, as always, keyframe everything if you want to change that over time. You also have different border types, and that is especially interesting, or you can see it better if I'm going here with the softness a little bit different. Diamond shape, rectangle, you get the idea. So have fun with it and have a great day. Goodbye.